Julie. Nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a cute cat. Subscribe to my channel and you won't miss my new lessons. In our lessons, we will need any paper, a pencil, an eraser, and something with which you will color. Now, let's look at the picture.
Our kitty has head, ears, cute muzzle, body, paws, and tail. Let's look at the picture one more time. Head, ears, cute muzzle, body, paws, and tail. Now, let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here at the top of the paper. Draw a big curve. Then another big curve under this curve.
That's the way to go. You did it.
Then we're gonna draw the ears. Two V-shapes on the left side. The first and the second. And the same thing on the right side. The first and the second. Then let's draw two big dots for your eyes. The first and the second.
That's right. Keep on trying.
Short horizontal line between eyes. Then U-shape over here for nose. And let's color it. Then two U-shape under the nose for mouth. Our cat has roses in the cheeks. Draw oval on both sides near the eyes. The first and the second. Then draw three short strokes for whiskers on the left side. 1, 2, 3. Here on the right side. Let's count. 1, 2, 3.
Getting better all the time. Keep it up.
Now let's draw the body. Draw a long diagonal line on the left side. And the same thing on the right side. An arc over here that connects these lines. Now let's draw its paws. Long straight vertical line in the middle. Two shorter lines on the sides. Then two rainbow shapes on both sides.
That's the way. I like it.
And three little arc over here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now let's draw the tail. A big curve on the left side. I start over here on the bottom of the body. Go up, curve left and stop. Then draw backwards S shape. I start over here at the end of this line. Draw a small curve. Then draw a big curve to other way. And connect with the body.
Oh, we did it! Good job! You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram, Patreon or Facebook. Take me in photo, Nanny Julie Art. Now, let's color it together. You can choose any color you like.
My cat will be white and I won't color it. Your cat can do any color you choose. Then I choose pink for blush, ears and paws.
Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. If you missed a spot, fill in it with color. Wow, you did awesome at coloring and drawing, Kitty. You can be super proud of your drawing. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my Patreon for cute coloring page and private drawing lesson for kids. All links to social networks in the description under the video. Love you. Bye bye.